Ever wondered how to find international buyers online for your import-export business? In the past, we've explored a multitude of methods, from social media to embassies, trade exhibitions to import data. Today, we bring to you yet another strategy that could potentially be a game changer for your business. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand the ground reality. The journey to finding international buyers isn't always smooth sailing. There are risks and challenges, including the unfortunate reality of fraud. This is why it's so important to do your homework, conduct thorough research, verify the credibility of potential buyers, and always remain vigilant. Remember, every step taken towards ensuring the credibility of your international buyers is a step towards securing your business. Now let's zero in on your target market. It's crucial to aim for a market that's within reach. Take Dubai, for instance, close to many, easy to travel to, a good starting point. But how do you get your hands on the right information? You need to delve into the data of that country, understand what's being imported and what's not. Various websites and resources can help you in this exploration. Remember, knowing your target market inside out is the key to finding the right international buyers. With your target market in mind, it's time to delve into the world of export data. This invaluable information can be your compass in the sea of international trade, directing you towards promising opportunities. You can access this data from an array of sources, including websites and yellow pages. These resources offer insights into what's being imported and exported in your target country. It's about understanding the pulse of the market, studying trends, and identifying gaps that your business can fill. Armed with the right export data, you're well on your way to finding your international buyers. Finally, let's not overlook the importance of understanding trade agreements. These are vital roadmaps guiding your journey into the international market. You can unearth these treasures by visiting trade association websites or your local chamber of commerce. Knowing your trade agreements is like having a roadmap to your destination. Now, you're all set to find your international buyers online. And that's a wrap. Apply these strategies, keep exporting.